Hi everyone, it's the day after we poured these concrete weights, so I'm going to take them apart, take them out of the molds, clean them up a bit, and we're going to weigh them. And then I'm going to try out the dumbbells and barbells with these ones. So I don't think I'm going to show you the pouring the rest of the weights, but I'll probably do one more video after this, just with the complete weight set. So let's see how these things turned out. And I'm quite happy with how the molds came off. Okay, so there's one. And see, that might even be 15 pounds, I don't know, but overall it looks pretty good. We want to rate on this one.
Oh, this one looks better.
That looks pretty good, I think. Not bad for some homemade weights. Okay, I'm just going to clean everything off and then we're going to weigh these in here. There. It's 10. So this thing's 10 pounds. So let's write 10 pounds on it. So this is... Ooh, that was pretty good. I'm going to say that's 12.5 pounds. This one's 13.5 pounds. All right, here's the big guys. Let's see what these weigh. 45. All right, these are 50. Just under 50 pounds. 50 pounders. I can work with that. And we got another 50 pounder. Okay, we're gonna weigh the barbell. Let's see how much the barbell weighs. The barbell weighs 18 pounds. About 118 pounds on here. I'm gonna try a deadlift. See, I'm not sure if this bar is going to bend or not, but let's give it a shot here. Well, it feels pretty good. Ooh, that's going to be nice. Ugh. Oh, it feels good. Homemade weights. We got the weights stripped, and I got them up on these chunks of wood here. So we're gonna let them cure for a day or two because they're really quite soft and green. But I think once they're cured, if we got any leftover old paint, we might just paint them black maybe. But I think it turned out pretty good. A couple 50 pounders. Be able to make some 25-pound dumbbells. And we got a little kind of 10-pounder. So this will probably be the last video for a while on these until we get the whole set poured. And we'll show you that when we're all done that. So thanks for watching.